Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's try to find out how to handle the volatility due to elections and how to stay calm and think in a rational way where we can buy good potential nice companies and how far low can the index go, where can it take support if the market is very volatile. So let me start with Dow Jones Index and we'll try to find the support and resistance levels of the index. So we're going to start with the points where the price takes support at least more than two times or three times. So that's very helpful for marking the levels. And like you can check this level the price has taken support you know um, more than once. So this can be one level. We can think of this level as the second level, one more level over here. Then we can go to the weekly chart, see if there are any different levels over there. Okay, I see some consolidation over here, so this can be marked as a potential level. Then uh, this area looks very interesting because the price has taken support over here. Let's check the monthly chart now. Monthly chart. mm, yeah, it looks good. Probably this shouldn't happen, but I'll just mark for marking's sake. I think, yeah, this is one more level which we can use to mark the support. So price has taken support here more than 4 or 5 times, and earlier this was acting as a resistance. Once it was broken, then this purple line became the support. So these are the levels, these are the important levels which we have to keep in mind. Now, how to use them while trading, or what do you think you can do about it? Um, if the market falls and if it breaks this level, then it can go down to this level. Okay, and if there's a good news or possibility of a good news and something special happens, then this is the place where we have to buy with a small stop loss, a few points below it. If it goes up, then this is going to be our first target. Okay, if this level breaks, then it can go down till here because there's no support in between, so it's going to have a huge fall. Similarly, if this level is broken, then we're going to have a fall till here. And you should always try to buy at the support level and sell at the resistance level. So for the resistance, the main resistance which the index is facing is probably this one. So it tried to break it earlier, couldn't break. It tried to break it over here, couldn't break, couldn't sustain, fell. Same thing, it's trying to break over here. It tried, but it couldn't do it, and it it's reversing near the resistance. So these are the very important levels of Dow Jones Index, and they should help you out, when you're trading. Now let's try to do Fibonacci retracement. Let's start with this point. Okay. So we have taken this point, okay? We have taken this point. We have taken this point as the low and this point as the high. Okay. So, if it has to retrace 50% from the high, then this is the level 26045. That's the level which we can see. If it retraces 50% from the top it had made earlier. If it goes below that, like to 61% retracement, then it's the level of 25,203, some place near the marked resistance, sorry, marked support point over here. So these are the levels which you should keep in mind when you are trading in Dow futures, uh, trading in Dow index stocks which you have bought. Like index, you have to really keep in mind which stocks are controlling it, which stocks are moving it, which stocks have heavy weightage in that area. So this should really help you out with things, and I hope you like this chart, and it should help you how to mark the support and resistance levels. And now let's go to Nasdaq, world famous Nasdaq index. Um, I really like this index. I love the technology stocks. So let's mark the resistance and support levels. I'll mark this as the resistance level. This is probably a support it has taken, and I'll mark this as a support. This is probably one more support. Let me, yeah, it has taken support twice over here. Yeah, so that'll do. That'll do in my case. uh, this is one more support level. Sorry. This is one more support level. It has taken support over here. This is one more support level. So now you can you can check on different chart, and like daily chart, monthly chart. It'll really help you to mark the levels, and everything happens on the levels in the market. So you should focus on what the market is trying to do, whether it's trying to go up or it's trying to go down. So at what levels is the market trying to function? And levels are the most important thing when it comes to trading or investing. Now let's go to the weekly chart, guys. Yeah, so we have marked all the levels which are required for you in trading. I don't think so we need to mark anything new here. Monthly chart, yeah, pretty much done. Yes, so yeah, this is taking support over here. We can mark probably one more level over here. That's it. So these are the supports of Nasdaq index. Okay, uh, most powerful index in the world. Controls everything, all the nice things. And so if we have to make a Fibonacci level, probably we can start from May. Fibonacci retracement, supposing like I take this point and I leave it here. Oops, sorry. So like, yeah, that's it. So now like we have got the levels which kind of match with the resistance and support levels which we have already marked. And please note down these levels. They will help you understand how the market is doing, where is it taking support, how important is it to you know trade according to these levels, so they're going to really help you. So if it retraces around 61%, so this is the level it's going to touch. That is 10,013. 10,013 is the level, and our marked resistance is 98.72. So that's if it retraces that much. If it doesn't, it can reverse. It can reverse from 50% where it is at right now. So it is at a decent level of retracement, the Nasdaq index. So you can note down these levels. They're going to help you a lot. They should be useful for you. Now let's go to S&P 500, the oldest index in the world, you can say. Um, let's go to the support. Okay. Now let's mark the support and resistance levels for this. I think, yeah, this should be probably a good support and resistance level. I think it has taken support over here. You can see over here. So yeah, this is almost at the support. So one more level I'm looking at right now is a good level at this level. Why am I taking this as a support? Just to explain it, this is going to take support over here for quite some time. Like it's taking support over here, then it's taken support over here again. It tried to take support, but it didn't. But it took a support near or below it at this level. Okay, now let's look at this. One more support. So I'm just trying to keep things simple so that I don't want to overcomplicate things, and the reason I'm doing it while making the video, so that everybody can learn it, because it's not rocket science. It's pretty simple. You don't need to join any courses for it. So we have marked the levels on the daily chart, and let's see, now we can go for the weekly chart. Weekly chart, I don't see any new levels as such. Maybe we can use this level. Yeah, now let's go to the monthly chart, sorry. Monthly chart. Now this level looks interesting. One level over here. Okay, so these are the levels. These are the levels which you can easily remember. You can note them down, mark them on your chart, and now we can use my favorite Fibonacci. We can use that, and it'll help us know, how far it can retrace down from the top. We're using this top, but we'll extend it so that we know what the present situation is. So S&P has retraced to 38% almost from the top, and it can act as a very good support, and it has it's very near its 50% retracement. So anything can happen in the market. We can't we can't comment for sure what's going to happen, whether it's going to go up or it's going to go down. But the main thing, the most important thing, is to be aware of what can happen, so that you're not surprised, although market loves to surprise you. And the most important thing, the way the market plays, a lot of people think that market will fall immediately after election if Mr. President Donald Trump loses the election. Market never does something which we are expecting and it's going to happen immediately. It's not that easy. So when people, and most of the people, think that market is going to fall, It doesn't. It stays in a range, or it can even go higher, hit all the stop losses, and make people lose a lot of money. So we have to be careful. We have to, buy at the support levels and sell at the resistance level. And if that resistance breaks with volume, and then we have to buy with a small stop loss, because the risk reward is very good at that time. So we have now like seen this, the basic support and resistance of all the indices of US stock market. Now let's try to analyze with moving averages how things can be. Now this is the S&P 500. Okay, these all these lines, like the blue one is the 20-day moving average, the red one you have is the 200 moving average. So this is at the moment showing very good uptrend. It's going up. It went down here. It touched the 100-day moving average, and and then it came down. So yeah, it didn't go below 100-day moving average. So but here it has broken the 100-day moving average. So that's not a good sign for S&P 500. And it was taking good support at the 8-day moving average 13, which is the purple, and the pink one is the 8 days and 20-day moving average, which is considered to be very important by some experts. So it was taking good support, but it had broken recently. It took support at 100-day moving average, but now it has broken the 100-day moving average, and it has closed below it, but it is at the support level. So we have to be careful. We have to watch out for 32 3205 level in S&P 500, and we have to be watchful. If this breaks and it doesn't take support at the 200 moving average, which is the level of 3121 right now, it might go down to 2988. So this is the level. So we have to be watchful of that. Now let's go to the Nasdaq index and see what's going. Nasdaq takes support beautifully around the 8-day moving average and the 20-day moving average. So it loves to takes good support. Again, this had gone down, but it did not break the black line, which is the 100-day moving average. Recently, it has kind of touched it, and it has taken decent support at the 100-day moving average on a daily chart. If this breaks and this level of 10771 breaks, then we might see the downfall, and it can go down to 10,531, 10,205, and it might take support at the 200-day moving average. So it might go down to 98.72. So we should be careful in Nasdaq. So these are the important levels which we have to really understand and keep in mind. Now you guys know how we got these levels. Now let's go to the Dow Jones. Like first we used the moving averages, then we used the Fibonacci levels, and then we are using moving averages. So like first we use support and resistance, and then we use Fibonacci level, and now we're using moving averages. So these are very simple things, very basic things, which you know are effective and very easy to use, and people can do it on any time frame, like the monthly time frame or the daily time frame or the 15-minute time frame. I'll try to come up with the intraday strategies. So again, the same thing is happening, but in Dow Jones it's kind of different. The levels keep changing, but I see something very different on the chart. This used to take good support at the 13, 8, and 20-day moving average. It had broken the support, then it took a support at the 50-day moving average, which is the orange line over here, and it kept on taking. Now it has broken the 50-day moving average. Okay, 50-day moving average is broken in Dow Jones, and again it went up. It took support over the 8, 13, and 20-day moving averages and 50-day moving averages, which it started breaking the all the smaller time frame averages, moving averages, and then it took support at the 100-day moving average. Now it has also broken the 100-day moving average, the black line, and it has taken support at the 200-day moving average on a daily chart. So see, just try to correlate things. I'm not trying to, make it a very colorful, complex black background chart so that it's tough to understand, and technical analysis is something so tough I can't do it. So everybody can do it. You have to practice it, and if you need any help, I can guide you. So if this level breaks, which it is taking support at right now, then it can go down up to 24,971 level, 24,971 level, and that is also near the 61% retracement for Dow Jones. So this could be a potential very good buying level for Dow Jones if the market is positive. But if this breaks, then our stop loss is going to be very small. Okay, we're going to sell it from here, and our target is going to be this, and we'll definitely try to book our profits. You always have to buy at the support level and sell it at the resistance level. Like this is a sell area. This looks like a double top. So if it comes here again, try to sell with a small stop loss. If it gets hit, it gets hit. You move on. It's not about being wrong or right in the stock market. It's about being having a good risk and reward ratio, high probability trade. That's the most important thing. So if you lose small, and if you win huge. That's the target, and that's the main aim of, seeing things in a different way. I hope this video helps you in trying to understand the small few basic things about support and resistance levels, and finding the high probability levels of the Dow Jones and Nasdaq, as well as S&P 500. And I hope you find this video very helpful. In future, I will try to come up with the intraday and swing trading strategies, and I love a few stocks. Which are my favorite, like Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Facebook, Google, Tesla, Nvidia, and PayPal. So I'm going to make videos on them, and try to combine a few more things and try to come up with strategies which can really help you when you need to do swing trading or something else. So thank you so much. If you've liked the video, please subscribe my channel so that you can get all the updates about my video. And I'm grateful that you came here to my channel and spent time on it. And thank you so much, and have a great day. I wish you all the luck with your trading. I would like to say that I'm not a registered financial advisor or a stock market expert. I'm just a technical analyst who likes to analyze market on basis of technicals, and I basically try to guide people online so that they can be independent. So if you want to make a investment or trade, try to consult a financial advisor and try to invest on their advice only. This is just for educational learning purpose and for entertainment purpose. If you invest, please do it at your own risk. And thank you so much. um, I'll see you again.